What is up, guys? Another ride, another day. Let's go. Tamang chill ride lang. Chill lang. Someone's calling. What the hell? Ang kunat pa din talaga. We're here. The best place dito sa Boracay for me, especially as an introvert. Let's go. Tignan mo naman kasi yung view, guys. Ayan o. And by the way, guys, may Wolfgang pala dito. Ayan o. Just so you know. Ito na yung favorite part ko dito. Palusong na to eh. Look at the view, guys. Ang ganda talaga dito, man.